Hello friends, welcome to SHUK channel. I am Syed Habibullah Qureshi. Today we are going to discuss Caesar cipher. So before starting, I would like to tell you, if you want to get more informational and also educational videos, so kindly subscribe and like our channel. So Caesar cipher, as you know, that we have different types of substitution techniques. That one of those substitution technique is called what? It's called Caesar cipher. So Caesar cipher is the simplest or the first substitution cipher techniques. So which we can replace each letter with another letter. Like we can do encryption and decryption in a very easy or simple manner, in a very simple, easy way. So let's start with encryption in Caesar cipher. So for doing encryption in Caesar cipher, we should change each letter of our plaintext with the letter which comes, or the third letter which comes after that. Like here we have is our first letter of our main text or our plain text is S. So we should find the third letter which comes after S plus 3. It means plus 3 means the third letter after S. Third letter after S. This is S. Third letter 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. The third letter after S is V. So instead of S we should write V. After that A. Third letter after A. 1, 2, 3. D. In place of A we should write D. After that Y. This is Y. After Y 1. So if we faced with such a condition, so we should start from the beginning. We should start back from the beginning. So Z 1 through 3. B is our third letter after Y. After that E. This is E. After that the third letter after E is H. 1, 2, 3. H. In place of E we should write H. After that D. Third letter after D. E, F, G. G is our third letter which comes after D. So we should write G instead of D. This text is called what? It's called cipher text. This is called cipher text. What's encryption? Encryption, the changing of our plain text into cipher text. This is called what? Encryption. Now let's move to decryption in Caesar cipher. Decryption, as we know, decryption is the reverse of what? Is the reverse of encryption. Decryption is what? The reverse of encryption. So for doing decryption we should change our cipher text. This is our cipher text into the plain text. It means we should get back our plain text or our main text. So for doing that we should, in Caesar cipher, when decryption in Caesar cipher is like that, we should find the third letter which comes before it. It means in Caesar cipher there, the first letter of our Caesar cipher is what? Is V. So now here if you see the first letter of our cipher text or our text is V. So we should find the third letter which comes before V. The third letter which comes before V is here V. 1, 2, 3 is S. Instead of V we should write S. After that D. Third letter before D. C, B, A. A is our third letter before D. B. Third letter before B. A and Z Y. Y is our third letter which comes before B. H, third letter before H. H, this is our H. 1, 2, 3. E. E is the third letter which comes before H. G, third letter before G. F, E, D. 1, 2, 3. D is our third letter. Now this text is called what? This text is called plain text. This is called what? Plain text. As you can see, we are succeeded to get back our plain text. This was our plain text, Sayyid. Now we did encryption. After that we got our ciphertext like this. After that we did decryption, and in decryption we get back our plain text. So this all process is called what? It's called Caesar cipher technique. Thank you for watching our videos.